Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Sujana. How are you?
I'm good. Kathy is our BIM specialist at Grey Edge, and my name is Sujona, and I deal with marketing for Grey Edge. And Grey Edge is an Autodesk certified training center. So, Kathy, could you just shed some light on Autodesk Revit and its importance in the AEC industry?
Okay. So, would like to start with something like, in this competitive and ambitious world, I like to say that Revit has really stolen the show. As you've asked the perfect question to me, where this is one of my favorites, this software. So I would like to share some knowledge on that. So Revit is a part of this BIM process. So BIM is a process that is building
Right.
information modeling, where Revit is a core part. It plays a significant role in this particular process.
Correct.
Okay, now when I'm talking about it, so Revit, when we create projects, it helps us to design efficiently and accurately through the entire project life cycle.
Hmm.
When
Hmm.
I'm talking about projects, okay, now what kind of projects and what are the people who are involved in these projects? So Revit can be used by architects, the landscape architects, structural engineers, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing engineers. Not only that, even interior designers and contractors too can use this software.
Excellent.
Once you have a hand on the software, I really guarantee you this is the best way it's going to help you through the entire BIM life cycle. Okay,
Correct.
now when we saw that so many people coming from different domains are using this software, it is because this software is a multidisciplinary software. That
Hmm.
means people coming from different domains and different disciplines can use this single software.
Wow, that's
Yeah.
great.
So again, the best part of this software is that this is a single BIM database software. Okay,
Right.
now what does that mean? Single BIM database means that all the documents and views, etc., everything related to a particular project is saved in a single file. So you don't have to
Right.
hunt here and there for different documents and for different, things which are related to the project. Again, if you make some changes in a single view or a single document, it is updated in the entire project. Okay.
Excellent.
So it really saves our life. Again, one more thing that I have to add on this is that this particular software, that is Revit, is a parametric software where we can
Mm-hmm.
create parametric models and parametric families, which can be used to create a customized project, and you can say customized families according to the project submittals. So
Correct.
if a client has a specific a demand, and on that we can create some parametric models and families related to that particular project. Now, the last thing that I have to say is here, as I said, you can create so many documents. So Revit can be used to create the floor plans, elevations, sections, 3D views, sectional elevations, renders, BOQs, that is bill of quantities, bill of materials, everything. All these things can be created in a single file. So
Wow.
now hearing this, you can understand the significance, or the importance that it plays in this particular BIM industry.
Oh my God, that's so much that one software can offer.
Yeah.
And thank you so much for giving us such key insights about Autodesk Revit. Thank you once again, Kathy, for making the time and joining us.
My pleasure, Sujana. Thank you so much.
Thank
See
you. Bye
you.
bye. Bye.